Pepe coin just broke some all-time highs. Is Pepe going to be the #1 meme coin of 2024? That's exactly what it's looking like. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Pepe coin, taking a look at what the heck is happening. Let's jump right into the mix of things. As we're seeing Pepe taking over the internet, we see a trader made 107,000x profit. Is focusing on Pepe. Trader turns $3,000 into $46 million in 1 month. And guys, that's just not it. We're seeing the overall crypto market is back in green. We're seeing green across the boards. Before we go into Pepe, guys, I want to highlight Dogeverse. As the pre-sale is almost over, your last time to buy before the launch, they raised over $15 million. And this is Dogeverse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following 6 chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Base, and Solana. This is a meme coin that's going absolutely crazy. Been featured on a ton of different articles, has multi-bridge utility, a solid roadmap, and we can see great token allocations and great tokenomics we can see as well. Plus the cherry on top, they have staking. The reason why this token is going so popular is they are taking the internet by storm. They've gained over 20,000 followers on X in the past 5 to 6 weeks. They're really taking over. We've seen this with Solana, a pre-sale gem we covered on this channel in the past, where they had really bullish indication on social media, and we saw it launch. It had 3-4x right off the bat. Then it had 3-4 centralized exchange listings. We're anticipating the same thing is going to happen with Dogeverse. So if you want to load up a bag, I'm going to link in the description below as well as comments. Obviously not financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with Pepe. Pepe currently trending #2 in the trending tab, up 6% on the day, 44% on the week, and 105% on the month. What is going on with Pepe coin? We're gonna go ahead and take a deep dive. So first of all, Pepe coin breaks all-time highs again. It's absolutely insane. People are so bullish on what's going on. We see analysts boost ETF approval odds, leading to surges in popular tokens and Ethereum ecosystem. Obviously, right now, the ETFs for ETH are anticipated to go live. I was looking on Twitter earlier today, and apparently they have like an 80% chance of it going live, which should be absolutely insane for Pepe and the meme coin, and can finally get the altcoin season started. We see overall cryptos across the board looking great, up 5% on the day overall market and 146% volume. In terms of fear and greed index, we're currently sitting at 70%. And guys, it's starting to feel like we were entering the bull run again. A couple of weeks ago, when we just started talking about some of these meme coins, we felt like it was going to be the bull rush. It felt like the bull run was going to get started aggressively. Then post happening, things got shaky and looking like things are starting to recover again, which gets us really, really excited. Pepe pumping. We can see even post on Twitter, Pepe posting a meme, feeling so good at this pump is hitting all-time highs. It's absolutely insane. Even the technicals are looking very bullish for Pepe coin as people are loading up. All stocks are in buy, moving averages are in strong buy, and the overall summary is a strong buy for Pepe coin. Even the news is covering Pepe coin everywhere as all-time highs break, and people are going to be talking about Pepe a lot. And here's the thing, as we broke all-time highs, guys, more and more retail investors are going to start loading up on Pepe coin. That seems to be a similar trend. What happens when tokens hit all-time highs is retail starts to get in and buy at the top. Whether it's a great investing strategy or not, regardless of the fact, but for us Pepe coin holders is obviously very, very bullish. We see Pepe obviously having a phenomenal run. Even when we're looking at the overview, guys, of Pepe, right, we can see great things happen across the board. On the week, 26%, on the month, 115%, 6 months, almost 200%, right? The gains are absolutely insane for Pepe token, and we're anticipating Pepe to continue pumping as the meme coin mania is just getting started, and we're very excited to see what comes next for Pepe coin. The meme coin Pepe hits new record highs, up 31% in price, market cap now at $5.32 billion, trading volume up 400%. It's insane how Pepe coin could flip some of these other popular meme coins. Currently, Pepe coin sitting at #3 in terms of top meme coins. Shiba Inu, the #2, is at $15 billion market cap. Pepe coin at $5 billion market cap. It's very likely if this pump continues, if the popular Pepe continues, Pepe might actually be able to flip Shiba Inu, and we already know how massive Shiba Inu is and the whole ecosystem Shiba Inu is. If this happens, obviously this should be insane for people who are buying into Pepe. So much bullish things across the board, guys. If you don't want to miss any of the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as we cover meme coins, altcoins, Bitcoin, and everything else and everything in between on this channel. Like always, not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.